Hi friends. So in this video we'll tell you about how to earn money easily online. Okay. So if you want to earn money online, you can use following few options. Uh, if you are a developer in Java, .NET, okay, so you can start freelancing work on website like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. So here you can upload your profile, means how much experience you have and which technology you have worked on, you are expert on which fields. So you can apply on these websites for projects, and you can bid for the projects. Once you get the project, you will start getting works. Okay, so you can concentrate on these websites for earning money through freelancing. Okay, and one of the very best option is, suppose you are a IT guy, or suppose you are expert in some other field, so you can create your own YouTube channel. So in your YouTube channel, you can start uploading videos of say teaching .NET, teaching Java tutorials, or some other stuffs in which field you are expert. So on YouTube channel, you have to make some subscribers and some views to start earning. So I suggest you to just go through this and take a decision, because it is very best option uh, for your future. And uh, third option is you affiliate. You can become an affiliate partner in Amazon, Flipkart, Big Rock. Affiliate partner means you can uh, sign up on these websites, and you can apply for affiliate partner. So if you have your own website, you can give ads of Amazon products, Flipkart products, Big Rock products. Means you have to add links of that products, so your friends, your uh, relatives can see your website, and they can buy products from your website by clicking that links. So this is a very good option if you want to start earning money online. So just go through this once. And if you have a knowledge of share market, you can start trading in options, call put. So in call put also, uh, there are a lot of scope to earn money. Just you can start watching news on daily basis, and you understand which companies price are going up, down. So accordingly you can buy call or put. If you think that the prices are going up, price will go up, you can buy call. And if you think that the price of Reliance or say Wipro is going down, you can buy put of that stock. You can also do trading on Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay, so also go through some stuff on this share market. And if you are having some business, like or say suppose you are interested in some products, so you can start selling your products. You can become a dealer on websites like Amazon, Flipkart, or any other e-commerce websites. You apply for a dealership on that website, and you can add your products, and you decide what your price you want to set for the products. So you can start earning from this dealership. So friends, just keep in mind, uh, just pick up one field, and you start exploring that field, and you start earning on that field. So all the very best for this, and do subscribe our channel if you like the video, and uh, also in my other videos will explain about call and put strategies of stock market, how to create YouTube channel, how to upload videos, how to compress videos. So please subscribe my channel so you will be able to see all the videos. uh, okay, and do write me a comment if you have any queries in mind. Okay, okay friends, thank you.